Hello, Sunshines 2. We are on to week 11. So we will start with our song. Join hands. We join hands and we sing, clap and circle, make notes ring. We will see who'll join us in the fun. Sunshine is for everyone. We join hands and we talk, clap and circle, make notes walk. We will see who'll join us in the fun. Sunshine is for everyone. We join hands and we shout, clap and circle, shout notes out. We will see who'll join us in the fun. Sunshine is for everyone. We join hands, whisper sounds, clap and circle, round and round. We will see who'll join us in the fun. Sunshine is for everyone. So right hand, say hello to everyone. Hello, everyone. Let's do our scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. So for this week, we are focusing on our festival pieces, our Christmas carols, and our composition. But we also need to be able to do our C major scale. So make sure you are going up 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Tuck your thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the way up and all the way back down. Okay, keep it nice and slow and steady. And when you're holding the chord, make sure your fingers aren't all mushy at the end. We want them nice and strong. Okay, so your homework is your composition. So we will work more with that when we meet individually. And we need at least 8 bars for our piece to complete it. And we need that done by end of January, I guess, is a good time to have it done, and then I can get it mailed. But I think we're all off to a good start with that. Continue working with notes on the tin sheet. We should be getting quite comfortable from low C up to middle C, heading towards high C. So really good from F to C, and really good from C to G, and then we're just adding those ones going up. And remember, we are down in the middle for D, C, Mr. Bass Clef's third button on his vest, B in the middle up here, one more is C, and of course we have our markers of our G clef and our F clef. Okay, then pieces that you can play. I've given you a few here. TikTok is one that deals with articulation, and articulation is how we play something. So if it's got this little dot, it's staccato and it's going to be bouncy. So we're thinking hot, 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 hot. Okay, and if it has a phrase line over, like some of your festival pieces, we're thinking smooth and connected. So one note after the other, and then you let it, it's kind of like a teeter-totter. You don't go bunk and let the person go flying into the air. You go nice and smooth back and forth. But this one, K19, is really good for getting the hot, 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 hot. And remember, it's not coming in from above. It's coming in and just going into the bottom of the note and going hot, 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 hot. So we're not just touching the note and thinking we're getting out really, really fast. We're playing down to the bottom and then coming out fast. And then we have our bridge chords here and our bridge chord in our right hand. So I'd like you to for sure have a look at this one. Then W7 is extra work, but it's where you can add your chords in that left hand. So we have our right hand, we have treble clef, bass clef, put together with a squiggly line. So we have a grand staff or a great staff, 4/4 time signature, 4 beats in a bar, a beat is a quarter note, and you're going to add your bridge chords in here. Okay, we have to count ands because we have TTs or busy beaver down here. But this one is extra work. Just make sure you know treble clef, bass clef, grand staff, and what your time signature means. Then the other one is W19, and it's the very same thing. We are just adding bridges, but something different to play. Okay. Then on L6, we are looking again at articulation. So on number 1, we have smooth and connected, or we have bounce, 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 bounce. And remember, these are called staccato. So the little dot underneath or above the note, not off to the side, means that we bounce. Okay, so for number 1, is it legato, smooth and connected, or staccato, which is detached or bouncy? Okay, number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Okay, so make sure you know the difference between legato and staccato. And then for rhythm on E7, we have Old MacDonald. So this is good for your castanets. Just work it through, even 1 line a day. Remember, those squiggly lines just mean that we are holding it for 1, 2, 3, 4. Our rests, 1, 2. And otherwise, it's nice and straightforward. Just watch where mom's pointing and keep an exact rhythm. Okay, so we will meet individually later this week, and I will, or we do a Zoom class next week. So be prepared to do a performance of your Christmas Carol. And when you're done playing, we're not going to do a full bow. We're just going to do a head bow. Okay, different, but it'll just keep things moving quicker. So it's not a long time that we are online again for a recital, but we do want to do something to showcase how well we're doing with our playing. Okay, so festival piece I will listen to, composition, we'll discuss how it's going, Christmas Carol I will listen to, and C major scale, ideally I'll have a quick listen to that as well when we meet individually. Okay, so have a great week, you guys, and Zoom class group next week. So long, farewell, our music class is over. We sang a bit and played a bit, and now it's time to study it. Have a great week.